Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Ranch Recipe, we're going to make flan with Thai tea flavor. Here are simple ingredients. You can substitute Thai tea with the combination of black tea and Earl Grey. Step 1. Caramelize sugar. At medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of water and half cup of sugar. It can be regular sugar or brown sugar. Stir to mix it together only one time. Swirl it frequently until it gets caramelized. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes. The color will turn to be amber color. Bring it into 9 inches baking dish. I like to clean the pot right away by pouring hot water or just regular water, boiling it and clean it. This way is the easiest way to clean. Step 2. Preheat the oven to 325 Fahrenheit. At the same time, we can warm up the water in a baking tray. Step 3. Making milk tea. At low heat, add 2.5 cups of whole milk and 4 tablespoons of Thai tea. Keep it at low temperature, do not boil it. After 2 to 3 minutes, you should get the tea flavor out. Now you can add half cup of condensed milk. Remove the tea bag and turn off the heat. Step 4. Make custard. Starting from 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add milk tea that we made it earlier, little by little, and whisk it to mix it well together. We are done with this process. It's very easy and simple. Just pour it in there. See here? We get all of the egg and all the things that we don't want out. Cover it with aluminum foil. Bake it for 40 minutes or until it's cooked. After 40 minutes, carefully take it out from the oven. Be careful of the hot water. Wow, this looks great. The middle have a firm jiggling. You can easily taste it by using a toothpick or cake tester. Poke it at the middle. And if there's no liquid coming out, that means it's cooked. I will let it cool down and put it in refrigerator for tomorrow party. Hi, we'll be back again. Yesterday, we have some experiment doing the flan with the Thai tea flavor. With May.
Yeah, so Neena and I actually tried this out yesterday and we left it to chill and we haven't seen what it looks like yet in the past 24 hours, so we're about to find out.
Okay, let's see.
The longest 30 seconds of my life.
Now what we're gonna do is we're going to flip it over. You think you can do it or
Yeah.
I should do it?
I mean, I think you should do it because I don't want to ruin all the hard work.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna try it together. I mean, how is it?
Yummy.
How is it?
Tastes like Thai tea.
That's like Thai tea. Hey, that's what we expected. How about the
Tastes good,
texture?
tastes good.
How about the texture?
It's very creamy and very light.
Oh, that's good. Is that too sweet or not?
No.
No? Okay. Let me try it myself. Wow, this is good. Thank you for watching and I hope that you will try it at home. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.